Get ready to imprint your legacy on the gridiron because today, we're diving deep into crafting your ultimate college football dynasty in College Football 25. First things first, boot up College Football 25 and navigate to the main menu. You'll want to find and select the Create a Team option. This is where the magic begins. The very first step is monumental naming your team and choosing a mascot. Think of something that screams school spirit and intimidation. This is your identity, so take your time and make it count. Next up, the logo. College Football 25 offers robust logo creation tools. You can choose from pre-made elements, scale shapes, select colors, and even add intricate details to design a crest that perfectly represents your team's character. Now, let's talk threads, the uniforms. Dive into the uniform customization. Here you can design everything from your jerseys and pants to your helmets and cleats. Experiment with color schemes, fonts for numbers, and even sleeve types to create a look that's uniquely yours, both home and away. Don't forget your home turf. The stadium customization allows you to shape your home field advantage, adjust seating capacities, design your scoreboard, and even choose the field pattern. Make it a fortress your opponents fear. But a team is nothing without its players. Head over to the player editor. You can create individual players from scratch, assigning them positions and sculpting their physical attributes like speed, strength, and agility. You can also adjust their skill ratings, from passing accuracy to catching ability, to fine-tune your squad. From star quarterback to the unheralded kicker, meticulously craft each player to fit your offensive and defensive schemes. This level of detail allows you to truly immerse yourself in building your dream team from the ground up. With your team complete, brand new logo, sharp uniforms, a roaring stadium, and a roster tailored to your vision, you are finally ready to step onto the virtual field and begin your legendary journey in College Football 25.